You are very cool if you are a T-Rex. A very cool T-Rex that watches basic classic games.
Good morning, world. Meow. Oh, kitty, there you are. What's the problem? Meow. Your bed is broken. Kitty, fetch me my spell book so I can find a spell to fix it. Meow.
This spell should be easy to do, but I need the letter B. It's time to go to Letterland.
Hi, witch. Guess what? Welcome to Blender 5.0. Oh, I'm sorry, I mean Letterland. Anyways, witch. So you're trying to find a potion? Well, I'll let you pass unless if you can find objects with the letter B. Sounds like a challenge, but okay. Okay, so now what I need to do is find something that begins with B, that which goes buh. What's that up there on that tree? Oh, a stick. Maybe I could use the stick to get it down. Yeah. It's a ball. Wait a minute, it has the b sound. Ball. So it must be it.
That is a bee. I don't want to stand too close to it, because if I do touch it, it will sting me. And that means it is scared. And we don't want to make an animal scared now, would we? So, but B has the b sound. The b sound. It must be it. I can't grab it, but I can take a picture of it. Wee, this ball is so much fun. Which? Alright, sorry. Anyways, I got the ball that begins with the b sound, so it must be B.
Anyways, I found this bee. B. It begins with the b, so I thought I must give it to you. This picture, at least. Good job, witch. Now you can pass.
Alrighty, time to go to the king. Wait a minute, what does this note say? Dear witch, I'm on vacation right now. I will be back soon. In the meanwhile, you could do the puzzle that I left for you over here. Thank you, and bye. Okay then. So now let's see this puzzle. The farmer had a blank of chickens in a blank. All of the chickens were fed very well, including all the animals on the farm. The animals liked each other and were good friends. Well, to see that looks like the word bunch. That has the bus sound, so it's gonna be B. And the ARN, that sounds like barn, arn. So it has the buzz sound, so it must be the letter B. Oh great! I found the letter B! Now I can finally go back to my house and fix Cat's bed.